break and my dad's in the yard. It's in the kitchen. I told her that. But where in the kitchen? I don't know. It's in the kitchen for sure. It is there.
Let's check every drawer.
This girl.
I'll
make this girl famous.
That one has
She's kind of famous.
Who is she?
not there.
Her mom has a video for that.
Heck, not there.
I'm Bayside.
What's her name?
You never check outside. You never check
What's your
outside.
name?
Amy.
Amy.
I checked outside, not there. They checked over
This
there.
girl's gonna be famous.
Where?
I'm gonna make her famous.
Did you or you're gonna make yourself famous?
No, I'll make her famous. I don't care about making her famous. Watch her come inside cursing. Oh shit, it's good.
Va a romper la puerta.
Okay, I'll give you or you don't get. We're not setting a fight. Last time. You go. Maddie, the fatty. Give it to me.
Whatever.
Give it to me. You want Maddie the fatty? I'm gonna take out my glasses. This is gonna get serious. Now I want my glasses to break. I know you want to fight with.
Give her her eye contact.
I just cracked your shirt. You know that.
No,
I had crack.
This one's to stop this like
Okay, now do it till it breaks. Give it. Give it before I scratch. Think. Bad.
Curse again, curse
You
again.
want us to keep going?
Yeah.
Hands to your face. Hey! Do you know when I lift your pants?
That guy said you can't see my face.
No, don't with the house. It's polished.
I know, but I can still see your face, but not from far. Get your fat ass.
Wow.
It's the same.
No wonder why she learned so much words.
Well, her brother is 15 and they're always fighting.
Oh.
But it's not your room. Get out.
Come back here. Come fight over here.
Hey!
Over here.
Are you too lazy?
I'm locked in.
Huh?
You got lazy?
Yeah.
Ugly, fat, the fatty, you fat ass.
Take care of my glasses.
Oh shit. Oh my god.
Tell them that I left when
Maddie, Miss
Bye.
Maddie, fatty.
Nice hiding place.
After she went outside. She got mad. She said never to talk to her again. And then she said, fuck up, Basil.
When you lie, I'm gonna hit her.
Okay.
Fatty! Let's help you brick.
I'm officially scared of 7
I
years
want you for my nuts.
Only if I had the other ones make nunchucks.
Oh yeah.
I'll be right back. I want to go make nunchucks to hit you.
None what?
Nunchucks.
Here's my sandal. I can make nunchucks with this because I have like a lot of them. Right back. I'm going to go make nunchucks.
The other way. The other way is...
I'm going to go make nunchucks to hit that fatty.
To hit the who?
the fatty?
Oh, they heard.
You left that guy.
She left the other way.
Wow, did you see who left her iPhone?
No, she's coming back.
Say bye, Anthony.
Bye.